You're so sweet. Look at your face. It's a new friend. Whoa, look at those little paws. Hey, Jack. It's okay. Good boy, Jack. Hi, Phoebe. Hi. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Hey, Jack. That's a sweet boy. No, that's a little mean. Okay. I know. It's okay. She smells weird to you. But be good, okay? She's just a little kitten. She doesn't know anything, Jack. Look at her looking at you. It's okay, Jack. Be sweet. Be a sweet boy, okay? Be sweet. You're in control. No, it's okay. It's the smell. It's the smell. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. You're doing good, though. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, you left him if you want. You're a sweetheart. It's okay, Jack. Don't here. Smell my hands. Smell my hands. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, you smell like her too. You're a good boy. We're just gonna come sit together. That's what we do. We hang out. We socialize. Hi. I got your paws, Jack. Yeah, Phoebe. You're pretty sweet, huh? She's like, yeah. That's your little face right there. You want to smell? You like boobs? We do a lot of boobs in this house. Hi, Binks. Be nice. Be nice. This cat, 3 cats socialized. It's easy to do. Binks, that's aggressive. It's too much sniffing. I don't like it. Be nice. Good boy. The whole gang is here. The whole gang is here just socializing and working. Phoebe's gonna stick next to me. She's pretty brave though. She's like, fuck, this is a lot of cats. What's happened to me? Jack's observing. Good boy, Jack. You good boy. Thanks. No, that's real gentle. That's nice. Actually, that's pretty nice.